Hey, what is up everyone? So for today, basically I want to catch you guys up on everything that has been going on. So I think last time I gave you guys kind of me picking up the car again, I believe it was, and everything that was wrong with it. Gosh, that's about it then. What was wrong with the car was the steering angle sensor was bad. That's the reason why you saw all those kind of lights going on. The hill start didn't work, and then I had to check engine light about 100 or less than 100 miles after getting the car back. Was because the purge valve recall, the connector wasn't sitting right, so that was another issue. So basically all that has been taken care of, and now I've been enjoying the car so far. And now lastly, what I've been doing is I've been actually just driving this car as much as I can to put all the miles in and to really break it in properly. So basically I think I got the car back at 25,331, I think it was that I said I had it at. Yeah, 25,331 sounds about right. We're at 26,232, so we're about 99 miles away from having this engine basically broken in again. It is recommended, you know, if you can do 1,000, that's good. That's already broken in. A lot of people do 500 miles. I am taking the extra precaution of doing 1,000. A tech also told me, you know, if you can do 2,000 miles, you know, that could also work out for you. But I'm assuming this engine is 100% good and there's no issues. It was a new block. I checked everything. I might go in details in another video showing you guys the engine bay and see what everything else that was changed and what stayed the same. But overall, I think we're good. In 100 miles, which will be broken today, we will definitely actually start riding hard on it. Not too hard, but just not granny style. So before my day ends here, you guys can see it's 26,232. So at 26,331, we should be good to go. But yeah, I believe that should be the full 1,000-mile range that we should have broken in this motor in already. And for all of you who've always seen this car, it's never had a front license plate till basically for me yesterday. I added the front license plate up to the front. I got pulled over finally for it. Dealership never installed mine, so I never really bothered to put the front license plate up there. I've always carried it in my hatch. You know, and I said whenever I get pulled over and I need to put it on, that's when I'll worry about it. So I guess after a year and a couple months after owning this car, I finally got pulled over for it, and it was the only reason why I got pulled over. A lot of people would assume, oh, speeding, you know, loud exhaust and whatnot, because I am in California. But no, it turned out to be, they didn't care about the exhaust. They didn't care about tinted windows, because my front windshields are tinted. Not too dark, it's a 35%, which is borderline still illegal, but you know, most cops don't trip about that. But yeah, this time it was for my missing front plates. After further research, it seems like we are now about 81 miles left. I looked at the previous footage of this car, and and basically it said that when I got the car it was 25,380, and then I think I noted it at 35,381, so I thought it was 31, but it's 81. So I have 81 miles left to go, which hopefully I can break that in today. So basically, I can take out some pictures today. You guys can look at this for yourself, and that is the new license plates that I have put on there. They're a little bit crooked. I kind of don't care about it. I wanted to make sure at least it didn't hit the bumper too much. But just as a quick look at it, you guys can see there, basically there's two washers holding it in place with some padding. Same thing over here. I just drilled out one of the honeycombs, did this, and then did this one here. I wanted to adjust this a little bit lower, but just a lot of playing with it. I ended up just leaving it as is. I just don't really care. It looks pretty dope as that way. And I may or may not be shaving my whole entire grill in the future, so that could also help me out just to start with one already. But just a walkthrough of the car. Always still with the 91 and up ambassadorship. And I am super glad that this exhaust sounds like this. And that's with the AC on. So now I'm just leaving all that area. It's time to go pick up my girlfriend and, you know, basically go out and enjoy the Avengers movie. Basically, you guys should be seeing this on Thursday of this week, meaning it is Saturday for me in this sense for the Avengers movie to come out. A lot of people have already watched it and I haven't had time. That's why I'm going Saturday. We got done with the movie. We are driving, we are moving. There's not a lot of light. We are now at 26,394 miles. And that basically means this engine is finally broken in. And I'm super excited about that just because now it means there is some room to move forward with it now. I'm not sure what's the next plans or what's the next step for this at the moment. I'm still like super hard debating on what's gonna come next, but hopefully it is good changes. I'm gonna leave it as that. This motor is finally broken in. I want to know what you guys think about what I should do to this Focus ST. Comment that down below, and I hope to catch you guys on the next one. See you guys. Bye.